Bail matters top leading cases we will see today. I will explain you top 10 cases of Supreme Court related to bail matters. Friends, bail matters section is given in Code of Criminal Procedure, Chapter 33, Section 436 to 450. As a Supreme Court practitioner lawyer, I want to give one very important ratio dissent related to bail matter. Lawyers can use this ratio dissent in their bail seeking application. Some people will pronounce it as ratio dissent, but real pronunciation is ratio. Ratio is different. 1:2, 2:3, that is a ratio. But this is a ratio dissent. It is a Latin term. It is the meaning of this term is judicial decision or judicial principle. So I will give that ratio dissent, which is very beautiful. Lawyer can seek in their bail application. This ratio dissent is given in Sanjay Chandra versus CBI. Now I will read that ratio dissent. Right to bail is not to be denied merely because of the sentimental of the community against the accused. The primary purpose of the bail in a criminal case are to relieve the accused of imprisonment, to relieve the state of the burden of keeping him pending the trial, and at the same time to keep the accused constructively in the custody of the court, whether before or after conviction, to assure that he will submit to the jurisdiction of the court and be in attendance thereon whenever his presence is required. So friends, bail can be sought as anticipatory bail, that means before arrest. During trial also bail can seek after arrest. After trial completion and after punishment also, for further appellate process, for last remedy, unless and until accused gets the last remedy, he can use he can be relieved on bail. And after some years imprisonment also, he can apply for bail. Bail application should apply first in trial court, then session court, then high court, and then in our Supreme Court. So this is the hierarchy to decide bail application. So friends, bail application is related to the articles 14, 29, 21 and 19. 14, 21 and 19, these are collective articles which is related to our fundamental rights. But every person cannot use these articles to get the bail, but in maximum cases it can be used. So I will discuss you now and explain you top 10 cases decided by Supreme Court in bail matters. I will give the name, the date of the decision, and in how many cases this case is given as a reference. So first top case of bail matter decided by Supreme Court is the state of Haryana versus Bajalla. 21st November 1990 decision by Supreme Court, and this case is cited more than 4,489 matters. Second, Gyan Singh versus State of Punjab. This case was decided on 24th 09/2012 Supreme Court. It is mentioned used by lawyers more than 3,199 matters. Third and important case is Maneka Gandhi versus Union of India. This case was decided on 25th January 1978. It is used by different lawyers to mention this case in more than 3037 matters. Fourth important Bell matter top case is E.P. Royappa versus State of Tamil Nadu. This case was decided on 23rd November 1973 by Supreme Court. It is mentioned more than 1339 matters. Fifth important tough case is Chandrappa and others versus State of Karnataka. Decision of this case was given by Apex Court on 15th February 2007. It is mentioned more than 1314 matters. Sixth important tough case is Union of India versus Tulsiram Patel and others. This case was decided by Apex Supreme Court on 11th July 1985. It is used in different matter more than 1297. Seventh case is Pepsi Food Limited versus Special Judicial Magistrate. Supreme Court has decided this case on 4th November 1997. It is used in more than 1285 matters. Friends, eighth important tough case related to Bell matter is Siddharam Satlingappa Maitre versus State of Maharashtra. The decision of this case was given by Supreme Court on 2nd December 2010. It is used till date more than 1059 cases. Ninth top case related to Bell matter is Rekha versus State of Tamil Nadu. It was decided on 5th April 2011 by Supreme Court, and this case is used more than 1025 matters. And last, it is not really last, but in top 10, this is the last case. 10th, Sanjay Chandra versus CBI. This is a very interesting case. All are interesting case. Every lawyer should read these top 10 cases who is practicing in criminal faculty. In Supreme Court, we lawyers have to handle all the cases, civil, criminal, corporate, all the cases. There will be not a specific specialization in Supreme Court, but till High Court, till District Court, many lawyers are using specialization. So for seeking a bail, anticipatory bail, after conviction bail, during trial bail, anticipatory bail, these cases can be mentioned properly. So Sanjay Chandra versus CBI, 23rd November 2011. This case is used in more than 996 matters. This is my hobby, friends, to create videos on different law matters. I will give you some videos in future related to top 10 cases in insolvency, top 10 cases in 498 matters, top 10 cases in 138 matters, top 10 cases in this matter, top cases in that matters, all these things. And accordingly, I will give you some videos. Already I have videos already on my legal channel. I have my two YouTube channel. One is related to export-import matters. I am an international trainer in export-import business. So that channel is Jay Prakash Somani, Exim channel, and this channel is Jay Prakash Somani, advocate. This is for law matters, and I will create some videos on introduction of different laws also, like introduction of CPC, introduction of CRPC, introduction of IPC, introduction of